Standing on a wobbly kitchen chair at 3 in the morning is a universal experience we all absolutely hate. You are half awake and hunting for a tiny battery while a plastic disc on the ceiling screams a high pitched chirp at you. This is the exact frustration that modern home safety technology is finally trying to solve for good. I want to talk about a dual threat device that handles both smoke and carbon monoxide with zero maintenance for a full decade. This is a heavy duty unit from one of the most trusted names in the safety business. It is not a flashy toy. It is a dedicated life saving tool that stays out of your way until it is needed. The most impressive feature is that sealed internal battery. You install it once and you do not have to touch a single battery compartment for 10 years. That is a decade of not worrying about that annoying low power warning in the middle of the night. This specific model combines two of the biggest household risks into one single sensor. It watches for smoke and it sniffs out carbon monoxide constantly. It is also much better at ignoring your minor cooking mistakes than the old models were. Older detectors are notorious for losing their minds over a slightly charred piece of toast or a hot shower. This one is built to be far more discerning. It can handle a little bit of steam from the bathroom or some heat from the oven without waking up the entire neighborhood. However, you should know that this is a traditional offline device. You will not find any fancy apps or touchscreens here. There is no Wi-Fi connection involved. You will not get a notification on your phone if something goes wrong while you are out for dinner. If you want a high-tech smart home setup, you might find this a bit too basic for your taste. But for everyone else, that lack of connectivity is actually a massive plus. There's no software to crash. There is no signal to lose during a heavy storm or a power outage. It relies on hardware that is designed to just work, no matter what happens to your internet. The installation process is about as easy as it gets. You do not need to be an electrician or even a particularly handy person. You just pick a spot on your ceiling or high up on a hallway wall near the bedrooms. You avoid the spots right next to the shower or directly over the stove to keep things quiet. You screw in the mounting plate and then you just twist the device onto the base. That simple twist actually activates the power for the first time. You will hear a loud beep to let you know it is alive and watching over your home. It is a rugged, dependable piece of gear that stays in the background until the moment it is needed most. It is about simple safety done right. You get a loud, clear warning when it counts without any of the digital clutter of modern life. This is for the person who wants total protection without a monthly subscription or a complicated setup process. It is just pure, reliable peace of mind that stays active for 10 long years. You can finally stop worrying about those tiny batteries and focus on the things that actually matter in your daily life. It is a solid, honest choice for any homeowner who values simplicity and reliability above all else.